Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, Mixed Media Mayhem. I did do this when I was on the crop last weekend, and we were to use black cardstock, a stencil, and texture paste. So I'm gonna use my Light and Fluffy modeling paste to finish it up because I didn't take any of this type of stuff with me. So we're just gonna finish this up real quick, kind of discuss the layout. Oh man, that is unfortunate. My whip of cloud here got all kinds of messed up. All right. So I did use, oh, it's also Pink Fresh Friday. All kinds of fun little things, right? So we're just gonna come in and just add a little bit of this here and there. Nothing schmancy or fancy. We're just gonna add it right around in some areas because that's fun. And you know, what else are you gonna do, right? I know, it's not a lot, but it is. So I have successfully completed the task. And I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to. But, I mean, to be fair, all the ladies there would have probably had something. Actually, I don't know, because they weren't really mixed media. They were scrapbookers. And there is a difference if you don't play with the scrapbooking. Or the mixed media. No. All right. That to the side. So what I did was I used one of my scrap room kits, and it was this Pink Fresh. Very, very fun. I took a gold pen and outlined the black cardstock. I took the Pink Fresh, what are those, papers, and I literally sat there and fussy cut it out, and then I distressed the edges on the scallops. I fussy cut out some of these little things because it's about my husband, and it says, "There's no one quite like you," which if you know my husband, you know that's true. Every day is a new day to begin. It's your day to smile, fill the world with kindness and sunshine and good feelings. Then I have, "You make the world brighter, never give up. Sharing this beautiful story, no risk, no story." You know, just a whole bunch of little fun things. And I added some close to my heart little glitter dots just to tie it off. I wanted to use these three, so I had three, so I used this green one up here to bring a little bit of the green up. This cute little flower one with a little washi strip through it right here on this little cluster, and this one right here. So I did cut a floral in half and just kind of tuck underneath this never give up. I went ahead and popped up on some foam, stuck a little die cut under there, popped the butterfly up here with the "I've got a good feeling about this" on some foam. Some more dots, and dots. And you guys, literally, that is it for the layout. So I know on the norm, we do the mixed media together, but I did take all the stuff to film, you guys, and I do apologize. I just was having so much fun with my crafty friends that I just didn't want to film. I know. So, I've got a few layouts that we're going to be doing voicing over for the rest of this week, and then back to process videos. So short, sweet, simple, to the point today. I just used my scissors to distress. I think I got maybe, I don't know, 7 or 8 layouts done because every one I chose, I fussy cut and I distressed. So it was really funny because everybody was like, "What?" I did use another one of the papers to back this and pop the photo up. This was from when we were in the Vegas for my kid's 21st birthday. And this was one of the big wheels. My mom is actually sitting, you can see her hand. She's sitting down on that bench over there smoking. And we all took a turn spinning the big wheel, and I won $100. So that was kind of fun. So that's gonna do it. A little mixed media. Very little, but it does add a lot to this layout. So this layout was a little boring before, and now I'm actually loving it. So don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with Mixed Media Mayhem and Pink Fresh Fridays, which is put on by my lovely bestie Joanne Bartel. She is fabulous. I don't know what's going to happen when I run out of Pink Fresh, right? Because that's going to make me sad. But anyway, we will cross that bridge when we get there. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.